All right, it is Wednesday morning, and Lil Gang and I are gonna head down to halfway to Seattle and sell the 9-bot Segway scooter I own. And so we're gonna take this down today and sell that. I've owned it for the last 2 summers. Got some miles on it, and I rode it recently after riding the unicycle, and just not super stoked on it. So it's fun, but not as fun as the unicycle. So I'm gonna sell it for $650 today. I bought it for $900. Rode it for the last 2 summers. Had a great time on it. Put probably, I think it's got 800 miles on the odometer. So I feel like I got a good usage, and I'm gonna get some good return on it. Plus, I'm going to take some photos and video and drone today down south on some beaches and places that I found. And take the cat and hang out. So, anyways, we're going to hop on the road, go meet this guy, and sell this Segway 9-bot scooter. And just keep it down to the one unicycle now. So, pretty stoked. I will catch up with you guys later. So, Little Gang and I just made it down to this Union Slough down here in Mount Vernon, I believe. And we're going to pop up the drone really quick. I just sold the scooter. And so now I'm going to see if I can get some cool drone shots of the area. There's a couple bridges down here, and I believe some parks. So we'll see what we can capture. Should be pretty fun. Alright, so I'm down at the Union Slough here down in Mount Vernon. I just popped up the drone and I got some photos and videos of these surrounding parks. And I think I'm going to go to the Evergreen or Everett Arboretum and check out the plants and that. I've never been there before. And I've never been to this park that I just droned. So there are some really cool bridges all along the freeways and highways. And so I got, I think, some pretty cool shots. We'll kind of see. But just kind of a fun practice day. Picking out locations to hang out for the summer. And so we're going to go up to that Evergreen or Everett Arboretum. See what that's all about. And try and get some photos there. Just some nice photos with my Canon. So take this little unit, the Osmo. take the Canon, go hang out. So I will catch up you guys in a little bit. Alright, well, gang and I made it down to this Evergreen Arboretum, and we're going to go walk around and take some photos and videos, and I'll see what I can capture. I will show you guys on this little unit when I'm done. Cheers. It's a beautiful day. It's like 70 degrees down here, and hopefully all the nice flowers are in bloom. There he is. Alright, so I just walked around the Evergreen Arboretum here, and it was not the most interesting arboretum, and I kind of knew that going in. Not a huge area, not a lot of plant and flower selection. So what I'm going to do is I have a few other parks and places that I'm going to look up and see what to do next. And I'd maybe like to go to Rosario Beach as a last-ditch effort. I'm going to see how far that is out of the way. But that was one of them. So yeah, just did that Evergreen Arboretum. Not a whole lot going on. There was some pretty nice flowers, but just not a lot. Pretty small. So anyways, I'm gonna go check out and see some other parks, hopefully, and then I've got a business meeting with a friend tonight at 6:30, so I'll have to make it back to Bellingham before then. So I will catch up with you guys soon and see where we end up next. Look at this. How cool. home, I actually ended up making it to Deception Pass, walking around down on the beach. And so I have some photos and video of that. And it was really nice and pretty down there, not too many people. But yeah, I just hung out there till about 4:30, I think, and then started driving home, and then took Chuck to get home. And it was a really beautiful drive, and so I'm home now. And I have a meeting at 6:30 with my friend down the street, so we're going to try out the new Flat Stick Pub and Grill, I believe. It's kind of like a little fun board game, and they have drinks and food, so gonna go talk about Solid Number and how his dashboard's going, and talk some business ideas, and that's kind of the night. So I will catch up with you guys on another mission with the cat, and we'll be taking the van out and doing some more exploring here pretty soon. So today ended up being a lot of fun down south, and got some great photo and video and drone. So hope everyone had a great Wednesday, and I will catch up with you guys soon. Cheers.